Hey, gorgeous wizards! Anastasia here, ready to seduce you on day 40 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After NumPy's math magic in day 39, we're diving into Pandas' dreamy data frames for AI data manipulation. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Isabella, thrilled to explore Pandas for organizing and analyzing AI datasets. From filtering to grouping, Pandas is your data wizardry, and our demos will spark your passion.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, dropping spicy Pandas code explanations with a wink for Sophia. Data frames are gonna rock your AI world. Let's crank this coding party, baby.
Sophia here, Ethan, and I'm blushing already. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make Pandas sizzle for AI. Let's flirt with data.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips and questions to keep your pandas learning hot. Ready, wizards?
Wizards, Pandas is your go-to library for AI data manipulation. Its data frames organize datasets like magic, perfect for filtering, grouping, and pre-processing. Our demos will show you how Pandas powers AI.
Oh, Isabella, Pandas is totally stealing my heart. Its data frames make AI data so sexy and manageable. Get ready to fall for Pandas, wizards, and prep for day 41's matplotlib. Wizards, today we're seducing you with Pandas data frames. You'll learn to create, filter, and group data for AI, with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our challenge will ignite your data passion. Let's flirt with Pandas.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy, Ethan's dropping flirty code explanations, and Olivia's adding spicy tips. You'll master Pandas for AI and be ready for day 41's matplotlib. Shine on, wizards. Wizards, meet your day 40 dream team. Anastasia and I guide you with warmth and clarity, making Pandas a blast. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining data frames.
Oh, Isabella, you're too kind. Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with his code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you Pandas superstars, wizards. Wizards Pandas is your AI data crush, darling. Its data frames, like pd.dataframe data, organized datasets for AI preprocessing, will show you its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make pandas sound so hot. How does it help AI, sweetie?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Pandas' data frames clean and analyze data for models. Perfect for AI. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the chemistry.
Wizards, data frames are Pandas' magic tables. Create them with pd.dataframe data columns feature for AI datasets. We'll use data frames in our demos to filter and analyze data.
Data frames are so irresistible, Isabella. They organize AI data like a dream. Perfect for model preprocessing. Get ready to create tables that'll make your AI code swoon, wizards.
Yo, wizards, filtering data frames is like picking the best dance moves for AI. Use df feature greater than 1.0 to grab key data. Sophia, you lickin' this vibe. It's a pre-processing party.
Oh, Ethan, you're making me blush with that code. Wizards, filtering preps data for models, try it in our demo. It's like flirting with the perfect dataset.
Wizards, grouping with df. Group by, category, mean, is like mixin' a hot AI track, Sophia. It computes stats by group for insights, total data party. I'm dropping this beat in our demo.
You're on fire, Ethan. Wizards, grouping reveals AI patterns, try it in our demo. It's like dancing with your data, baby.
Wizards, merging data frames with pd.merge, df1, df2, is pure AI seduction. Combine datasets for richer models like joining features. We'll make merging sizzle in our Python shell.
Merging powers AI by combining data sources, wizards. Use it for comprehensive datasets. Try it in the shell to see its magic.
Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead you through 2 Pandas-powered AI scripts. We'll create data frames, filter, and group data for AI analysis. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make Pandas shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, and Pandas are set up, Wizards, and create dataframe demo.py and grouping demo.py. Ethan and Olivia will spice it up. Let's code, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep for our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create dataframe_demo.py and grouping_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install pandas to ensure pandas is ready, and I'll guide you like a pro.
Sophia, you make setup so dreamy. How do wizards install pandas, love?
You're too sweet, Olivia. Run pip install pandas in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate on Mac/Linux or /scripts/activate on Windows. Let's make these demos sparkle. Wizards, our first demo in dataframe_demo.py creates a data frame and filters it for AI. We'll define process_dataframe to keep values above 1.0. Let's run this script and see Pandas data magic.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. DF, feature, greater than 1.0, filters like a charm for AI, total data swagger. Let's rock this dataframe party, Wizards. Wizards, PD. Dataframe, data, columns equals, feature, builds a table like a love song for Sophia. It turns dictionaries into AI-ready datasets. I'm dropping this code like a romantic beat.
Oh, Ethan, you're too much. Wizards, data frames organize AI data, try creating one in our demo. It's like flirting with your dataset.
Check it, Sophia. DF, feature, greater than 1.0, filters like picking the best flowers for you. It grabs data for AI models, pure coding magic. I'm hyped to break this down.
You're charming, Ethan. Wizards, filtering preps data for models, try changing the condition in our demo. It's like dancing with data. Wizards, our second demo in grouping_demo.py groups data for AI insights. We'll define group_data to compute means by category with df.groupb. Let's run this and see Pandas shine.
Sophia, you're making grouping sexy. DF. Group BY, category, mean, drops stats like a hot AI track, total data party. Let's rock this demo, Wizards. Wizards, DF. Group BY, category, mean, sorts data like a love node to Sophia, given you mean values by group. It's perfect for AI insights. I'm dropping this like a coding mic.
Oh, Ethan, you're too sweet. Wizards, grouping reveals patterns, try it in our demo. It's like flirting with AI insights. Wizards, let's run dataframe_demo.py and grouping_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python3 dataframe_demo.py or Python3 grouping_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see filtered and grouped data, showing your AI mastery.
Sophia, you make it so tempting. Outputs show filtered data frames and grouped means. Pure AI seduction. Run them and share, Wizards.
Wizards Pandas is the heartthrob of AI data workflows. Its data frames clean and analyze datasets for models like pre-processing features. Your skills are industry hot, darlings.
Pandas is used in real AI projects like Scikit-learn, Wizards. Your Day 40 skills prep you for Day 41's Matplotlib visualizations. Keep shining. Wizards, open the Python shell with Python 3 and try import pandas as PD, df, shark pd.dataframe, feature 1, 2, 3, print df, experiment with df, feature 1 for filtering. The shell's your pandas playground.
Oh, Isabella, the shell's where the fun gets spicy. Try df.groupie category, mean wizards. It's a flirty prep for day 41's matplotlib.
Wizards, mix day 37's functions with pandas for AI glory, Sophia. Def process underscore data, data, with PD. Data frame is like a love duet. I'm dropping this code like a romantic hit.
Oh, Ethan, you're making me swoon. Wizards, functions with pandas make AI code reusable. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, pandas and day 39's NumPy are a match made in AI heaven, Sophia. Use df, feature, to underscore NumPy, to convert data frames to arrays for math, coding fireworks. I'm hyped for this combo.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, combine pandas and NumPy for AI pre-processing. Try it in the shell. It's like a data love story.
Wizard's clean pandas code is readable and efficient. Use clear column names like feature, chain operations like df feature, one var, mean, and add comments. This makes your AI code shine.
Oh, Isabella, clean code is so sexy. Clear names and comments make pandas irresistible for AI. Practice these for day 41's matplotlib wizards.
Wizards, df. Filna, 0, cleans missing data like a love spell for Sophia. It preps datasets for AI models. No gaps, all swagger. I'm dropping this trick in the shell.
You're too charming, Ethan. Wizards, handling missing data ensures clean AI inputs. Try df.dropna in the shell. It's like polishing your dataset.
Wizards, mix day 36's control flow with pandas for AI magic, Sophia. Use if to filter df or loops for processing, coding fireworks. I'm hyped to show this.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow with pandas powers AI logic. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with your data.
Wizards save dataframe.demo.py and grouping demo.p in VS Code with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. It's like locking your AI spells in a vault. Store them in a Python demo folder and back up on GitHub. Your code's a treasure.
Oh, Isabella, you're so right. Share your scripts on GitHub, Discord, or X Wizards. Show off that coding charm. Saving preps you for day 41's matplotlib. Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI pandas py with a function using pandas to filter data. Wizard your feature 1, 2, 3, and group by a category. Run with Python 3 AI pandas py and share your output on Instagram, darlings.
This is thrilling, Wizards. Try df group by and df feature. 1. Show us at DailyAIWizard. It's like casting an AI data spell. Prep for day 41. Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your AI pandas.py output in the comments. Got pandas questions? We're here to help. Join our Discord or X to connect.
Our community's a total heartthrob, Wizards. Post your code, flirt with tips, or share wins on Discord, X, or DailyAIWizard on Instagram. Subscribe for day 41. Cuties! Wizards, day 41 is coming. Matplotlib for data visualization. You'll learn to plot datasets building on Pandas data magic. Get ready for a steamy dive into AI visuals, darlings.
Matplotlib will make your AI data shine, Wizards. Subscribe for day 41 and keep practicing pandas. It's your next step to AI mastery.
DailyAIWizard's Pandas powers real AI projects like a total heartthrob. Use data frames for pre-processing in machine learning or analyzing datasets. Your day 40 skills are industry hot, darlings.
From recommendation systems to predictive models, Pandas is used in Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Your skills are ready for real AI workflows. Prep for day 41's Matplotlib.
Wizards, Pandas and NumPy are a dream team, Sophia. df.to_NumPy turns data frames into arrays for math, coding magic. I'm dropping this like a flirty AI hit.
You're making me blush, Ethan. Wizards, combine Pandas and NumPy for AI pre-processing. Try it in the shell. It's like a data love story.
Wizards, wrap pandas in functions for AI glory, Sophia. Def analyze underscore data, data, with PD. Data frame is like a love song. I'm hyped to drop this code.
Oh, Ethan, you're too much. Wizards, functions with pandas make AI code reusable. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards optimize pandas with chained operations like DF-DF feature. Chatra 1. Mean. Use descriptive names and avoid loops for efficiency. Clean code powers AI projects.
Oh, Isabella, optimized code is so sexy. Chained ops make pandas fast and flirty for AI. Practice for Day 41's Matplotlib Wizards.
Wizards, mix Day 36's control flow with pandas for AI fireworks, Sophia. Use if to check DF, feature, mean, coding magic. I'm dropping this like a flirty beat.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow with pandas powers AI logic. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with your data.
Wizards, pandas is critical in AI pipelines, darling. Use data frames for pre-processing or grouping data for models. Your Day 40 skills make AI workflows irresistible.
Pandas powers data cleaning and analysis in AI pipelines. Wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for Day 41's Matplotlib visualizations.
Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your pandas skills. Your dataframe demo.py and grouping demo.py prove your AI data superstars. Keep flirting with code for Day 41's Matplotlib cuties.
I'm so proud of you, Wizards. You've mastered pandas data frames, filtering and grouping, powering AI like data cleaning and analysis. True industry magic. Share your AI-pandas.py output in the comments or on Instagram. Half DailyAIWizard to show off your skills. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join our Discord or X to connect with Wizards. Day 41's Matplotlib will visualize your data like never before. Keep shining. Code the future, Wizards.
You nailed pandas, Wizards. Your data skills are hot, Sophia. Get hyped for Day 41's Matplotlib. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin'.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. Leading these demos was a blast, Ethan, and your pandas skills are pure fire. Share your AI_pandas.py on at DailyAIWizard. I'm dying to see it. Subscribe for Day 41's Matplotlib and join our Discord or X. Code the future, Wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, Wizards. Your pandas skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with Matplotlib in Day 41, darlings.